Hi everyone, I am Hariri from University Kebangsaan Malaysia. So my topic today, I will discuss about effectiveness of the application of geoelectrical resistivity imaging and induced polarisation for detection of geothermal source at Alor Gajah, Melaka, Malaysia. So I believe everyone know where is Malacca, very famous place. So today I try to share with you my research finding with my team, Dr. Shahida, my PhD student, Mr. Akmal, my supervisor for PhD last time, Prof. Hassan Bayumi, and then my master student, Mr. Hasid, my colleague Dr. Azimah Hussein and Dr. Azrin Azmi. Okay, for introduction, basically this research tried to analyze the subsurface condition and we tried to relate with SPT standard penetration test value. So based on 2D resistivity and IP, I use pole dipole array and try to look the subsurface condition. So I have 5 survey line with 400 meter each survey line with the direction of southwest to northeast, and then I use ABAM SAS 4000 to capture the data. Okay, this is survey line at the Gadek hot spring. So we have 5 survey line, which is 0 meter on the left, and to the north section is 400 meter. And then this is summary about 5 survey line using pole dipole protocol, and the expected maximum depth of penetration is 150 meter depth. Okay, for geological of study area, Gadek we can classify as the area with granite intrusive rock bordered with metamorphic and sedimentary. So here the survey line, and then you can see certain survey line located inside the granite rock, and then the rise in the sedimentary, which is for sandstone and mudstone. And then the picture show the example of a crop that can be observed at the site on the way to Gadek hot spring. So this is the schist outcrop that can be observed nearby the hot spring of Gadek. Okay, for method, the data collected in the survey using rest to the inverse, we did the inversion, and then we produced the fence diagram using SketchUp software. Then the model was compared with the SPT n value from drilling program, and then we plot together the resistivity and IP value to look some anomaly there. Okay, this is example of result. We have 5 lines. So today I like to share the most promising actually, which is last time we performed the drilling program. And then here, if you can see the proposed drilling location, PDL number 1, with the low resistivity value here, which is interpreted as a fractured zone. And then at the right section is granite bedrock based on geological map. At the side, actually here we cannot observe any outcrop for granite, except 1 kilometer to the Gadek town we can see boulders of granite. Okay, so the PDN number 1 was successfully drilled, and then we got a lot of hot water here. Okay, after we process all the 5 survey lines, so we produce fence diagram for resistivity as shown in left section here, and then for the right you can see the profile of IP result. So for line number 5, based on SI result, we only get the cool water compared to the survey line number 1 and number 2. We get a lot of hot water there. Okay, now this is the most important slide. We try to relate the resistivity and IP value with the SPT and value. So we try to plot together, and then here you can see the blue color SPT values drop here, which is at the fractured zone. So if you look at the cobalt this sample at the surface, yeah, we have highly weathered granite, and then you can observe the quality of RQD numbers increase, and then at the certain depth here the condition of rock suddenly change again, become very change to the chipping form. So we can see all the rock become very loose. So this is where we can get the hot water based on drilling program until this 20 meter, and then some of previous thickness also we can get hot water. So we try to relate the SPT N value with the resistivity and IP value to get the hot water based on these 3 parameter. So okay, as a conclusion, last time based on 5 survey line we did at the site, so only at line G1 here, PDN number 1 and 2 got the hot water, the rest is cool water actually. So what I can say, based on SPT and value, we try correlate for G1 and G2 survey line. It matched with my interpretation and then discussion from our group. So we believe the SPT and value can show good correlation with resistivity and IP here. Okay, actually I have 2 link of YouTube. You can see the volume of water is very huge actually at the Gajah hot spring. So you can enjoy this video based on this link. Then actually I would like to share before I end my presentation. This is a list of publication. You can search the journal, the conference that I present, my team present a few years later from 2014 until 16. And then also we have book and chapter in the book. So if you need any further material related to Malaysia hot spring, maybe you can contact me at hariri@ukm.edu.my, or you can search me in linking profile, and then you can connect also in ResearchGate.